If you forget the passcode of your Android or your iPhone and you're confused that how should I resolve this, then this video is for you. Last year, my brother's S23 Ultra was severely damaged. It wasn't the case where he forgot his password, but the phone was completely unresponsive. The display was shattered. That was so complicated that the capacitors were blown off. The processor needed reballing. So we reballed the processor 3 times. That time, we weren't hoping for the phone to work, but we wanted the data at any cost. And being a tech person, the only software I could imagine was DrFone by Wondershare. Seriously, 512 GB of data, including WhatsApp Business with all of the chat history. But this software did wonders. Hopefully you never have to face such terrible issue. But if you happen to forget the password of your Android or that of your iPhone, then now you have a best solution. So in this case, you can actually bypass your passcode, or if you have activation lock on your iPhone, you can even bypass this. So this is helpful if you forget your own password, if you buy a second-hand phone online, but it happens to have a passcode, or anyone in your family, if they forget their own password, this is the best way. Also, this is a certified licensed software that is compatible with both Windows and macOS. And the process to unlock your phone without using the passcode is a bit different for both iPhone as well as Android. So first let me show you how to do it with your iPhone and then later with the Android. So first you have to go to the Wondershare DrFone website, then you have to download the software, then choose whichever package you want. Just make sure that before doing this process, your data is backed up for both Android as well as iPhone for a safer side. So first navigate to the toolbox on the left hand side, then click on it, then select either iOS or Android. In this case we are selecting iOS. Here select unlock iOS screen, make sure your device is already connected, then click start, then the software will auto detect the device as well as the software version it's on, and then you have to follow the steps to put your phone into the recovery mode, and then the software will do its magic and your phone is ready. It's without the passcode. Similarly, if you have an Android phone, then you have to first go to the toolbox section, then select Android, then you have to select which brand's Android phone you have, then it will auto detect the software it's on, and then you have to follow the instructions which are device specific to put your phone into the recovery mode. Then click on start, do what the display says, that is device specific, and that's pretty much it. You already have a reset phone. As you just saw, it is so easy to unlock your iPhone or your Android phone if you have forgotten the passcode. Also, if you have activation lock on your iPhone or Google lock on your Android, still you can bypass that with the help of this DrFone software. Seriously, this DrFone software by Wondershare is a total lifesaver, because ordinarily you don't understand its importance, but when you actually need it, this is nothing short than a miracle. This is such a versatile tool, you can use it for several other things. Like in this case, we used it to unlock our phone without using the password. But if you happen to face issue with data recovery, if you have deleted photos, videos, contacts, messages, or anything from your phone or even from your SD card, still it can recover all of that data. Along with this can even do system level repair. Like if your iPhone or Android is either stuck on black screen, is stuck on recovery mode, or even Apple logo is boot looping, still it can recover all of this. Also more like phone management and transfer, screen unlocking as we just saw, then backup and restore, that it performs wireless incremental and flexible backups to avoid data loss. Also data eraser if you want to force reset a device. This even supports features like virtual location. So in short, this is an all-in-one tool, not just for your iPhone but even for your Android. And this is like worthwhile. If you ever face any kind of issue related to software of your phone, then this is a one-stop shop. Also the interface is very user-friendly. So even if you are a complete beginner or an amateur, still you can follow all of the step-by-step procedure and you can have the solution. If you're following me from a really long time, you know that I'm much more hardware focused. I rarely cover any software product. But this DrFone is a true lifesaver. It has helped me a lot, my brother a lot, and so many other people. And I've given DrFone's link in the description. Go there and download it for yourself. So that's it for this video. Also, this was in collaboration with Wondershare. So thanks to them and thanks to you for watching till the end. So I will meet you with another beautiful video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching. Bye and peace out.